Hi guys, welcome to RGTV. My name is Ken. I'm Renee's husband, and she's been after me for quite a while to do one of these videos, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Today I'm going to try a recipe. It is sort of a cross between a Philly cheesesteak and grilled cheese sandwich. It's something pretty simple for me to start off with. So I appreciate you guys' time, and thanks for meeting you. All right, got my ingredients laid out over here. I'm going to be using 2 pans. One's a little deeper pan. I'm going to cook the steak in there. And one's a pretty handy little flat pan we're going to do the sandwiches themselves on. Got just a little cutting board and a knife. I'm going to take these steaks. Then basically these are your typical wafer thin steaks. You might use for fajitas or something like that. And I'm going to chop them up into little shreds, and we're going to fry those with a little bit of seasonings. All right, I've put a little olive oil in the bottom of my pan. I've basically shredded the steak into some strips, laid that down in there. I'm going to go ahead and show you on the last one. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. It doesn't have to be any design. All I'm doing is just running the knife through the meat, and then I'm going to take that by pieces and just lay it down in there. And after we do that, we're going to put some seasonings, and basically that can be to your taste. It's whatever you like to put on your steaks. You can even do a marinade with this and let it sit overnight if you like. Myself, I'm just going to put some seasonal and a little bit of parsley, and that's going to do it for us. And we're going to fry that up. All right, as you can see, we just have our meat with our seasonings on there, and we're going to let it cook here. And when it's done, I'll be right back. All right, we're almost done stir frying the meat. It's looking real good, smelling real good. I hadn't made this particular dish in a while, and I'm looking forward to it. All right, we got the meat's all done, nice and fried in there. And we got all the fixings to make our grilled cheese sandwich. We got some butter over here. You can use margarine, whatever you like. I use parquet. Got a little stack of bread going. And I make my grilled cheese sandwiches with a kind of hors d'oeuvre style, with various different kinds of cheese. Different people like different cheese, so I try to do some for everybody with different flavors they like. I got some mozzarella, got some cheddar, I got some Monterey Jack, and some pepper jack. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do simple grilled cheese. We're going to put some butter on a knife, and all you do is you spread it on one side of your bread, lay it down, butter side down in your pan. We're going to put one slice of cheese. We're going to get a little bit of meat, put that in there. I probably should have cut this a little bit. It's going to kind of look like some bacon or something. I'm going to put that in there. We're going to put our other slice of cheese on top of that. We're going to butter our other side of bread. It kind of helps to have your butter out for just a few minutes in advance so that it spreads a little better. I will do that in the future. Okay, and then pat it down a little bit. Try not to peel up your butter. And it's ready to go. I'm going to do all the other sandwiches and get them ready, and I'll be back. All right, we got it all laid out here on the pan. It's heating up. I'm going to just flip it over a couple of times till it's golden brown, and then I'll get back to you when it's all done. All right, here we go. Finished product. It is very tasty, I can promise you. I know from personal experience. You will enjoy this this recipe if you choose to do it yourself. I was reminded that I should always wash my hands after cutting meat, and then before, especially handling the seasonings as I did. So I apologize, and thank you very much for a great video. I hope you guys all enjoy it. Appreciate you. Thanks.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my husband's first video. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below if you'd like to see more videos from him. As always guys, we appreciate you watching. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.